Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to another exciting cooking tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to cook a delicious shrimp pasta dish that's sure to impress your taste buds. So, let's get started. First, let's gather all the ingredients we need: shrimp, pepper, Parmesan cheese, red pepper flakes, olive oil, and of course, pasta. Now, let's get cooking. Start by heating up some olive oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add the shrimp and cook them until they turn pink. While the shrimp is cooking, boil some water and cook your pasta according to the package instructions. Once the shrimp is cooked, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Now, it's time to add the pepper, Parmesan cheese, and red pepper flakes to the pan. Stir everything together until the cheese is melted and the pepper is evenly distributed. Finally, add the cooked pasta to the pan and mix everything together. And there you have it, a scrumptious shrimp pasta dish that's perfect for a quick and easy meal. Don't forget to season your dish to taste. You can add salt, pepper, or any other seasonings you prefer. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try adding some garlic or lemon juice for an extra kick of flavor. I hope you enjoyed this cooking tutorial and that you'll give this delicious shrimp pasta dish a try. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!